The Predictive Forward Collision Warning System uses a sensor in the front of the vehicle to analyze the speed and distance to the vehicle directly ahead, as well as a vehicle traveling in front of that one. The Predictive Forward Collision Warning System operates at speeds above approximately 3 miles per hour. If a risk of a forward collision is detected, the system provides a warning to the driver by flashing the vehicle ahead detection indicator with an audible warning. The Predictive Forward Emergency Warning System turns on or off whenever the forward emergency braking system setting is turned on or off. Perform the following steps to turn the system on or off. Use these controls to select settings: Driver Assistance, Emergency Assist, then Front to toggle the system on or off. The warning light illuminates when the system is turned off. The forward emergency braking system automatically turns back on when the engine is restarted. To ensure proper function of the system, keep these areas clean and free of obstruction. If any of these areas are blocked, this indicator and/or this warning message may be displayed. The indicator will flash when only the camera is blocked. When safely parked, clear any obstructions to the radar and camera areas. If the problem persists after clearing any obstructions, it is recommended you visit an INFINITI retailer for service. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.